Hi, my name is Adham. Today I want to talk about function fire hydrant. The fire hydrant is one of the most important components in a building fire safety system, a public safety infrastructure. Its main function is to supply high pressure water to the firefighter during an emergency. It ensures that they have a stable and continuous water source to extinguish a fire. Next, the fire hydrant is connected directly to the main water supply. When a fire occurs, firefighters attach their hose to the hydrant outlet to draw strong pressure water for firefighter operation. There also a hydrant maker or signage that indicates the exact location of the hydrant. This helps a firefighter locate it easily, especially at night during emergency situation. That's all for me. Thank you. Strategic installation. Effective fire suppression relies on accessibility. Most fire hydrants are installed outdoors, specifically along roadside or in open area. For example, roadside placement, rapid access, zero obstruction. They are placed in strategic location so that firefighter can access them quickly without obstruction.
Hi, my name is Hadif. Here is a fire extinguisher. Fire extinguishers are placed strategically around the building to ensure that any fire incident can be controlled quickly before it spreads. Here at Pusat Islam, the most commonly used fire extinguisher is the dry chemical powder, DCP type. This extinguisher is suitable for multiple fire classes, including electrical fires, which is important in buildings with sound system, lighting panels, and air conditioning units. Here's the fire extinguisher manual, which is explained about PAS. The PAS explain about how to use the fire extinguisher. The P here is explain about pull, A is for aim, S is for squeeze, and S is for sweep. The fire extinguisher used on Pusat Islam is a dry powder, which is used on Class A, B, C fire. It is for use on flammable liquids such as gasoline, oil, paint, grease, and solvents. Besides that, it's also used for solid material, for example, wood, paper, plastic, and rubber. Other than that, it's also used for gases such as methane gas, butane, and propane. And lastly, it's also used for live electrical equipment, for example, computer, server, and TVs.
Hi, my name is Akil. Lastly, we will talk about the power supply in Pusat Islam. Electric power is produced at the power station, which are located at federal place, generally quite away from the consumer. The voltage that can be supplied by this power supply can reach around 220 to 240 volts. An electric supply system consists of three principal components, which is the power station, the transmission line, and distribution system. Pusat Islam has distribution board is the component of an electricity supply system that divide an electrical power feed into subsidiary. This slide shows the journey of electricity from the power plant to the user's electricity is generated. Sent through high voltage transmission line, reduced in voltage at the substation, and finally distributed to homes and businesses. This system ensures safe and reliable power delivery.